What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and this is a video I'm sure most of you guys have been waiting for. Now, I posted a poll up on the channel asking you guys, what do you guys think we should do with the Green Monster once the the estimate and everything came down. Basically the car was going to end up going to Copart, and over 75% of y'all said fix it, and it was like 50 something or 40 something percent, 45 or 50% said fix it, buy it back, or retain it, don't let them send it to Copart, let the insurance company cut me a check and take the car back. And the rest, sorry ladies, I ain't mean to do that to you. And then the rest of y'all said, some more of you, like 15 or 25% of y'all said get the Green Monster back but buy another one. And then like 10 or 15% of y'all said just let it go to Copart, let it be gone, don't mess with it. Well, on my channel, if I put something out there on a vote, I stand by it. And with that said, I'm going to go ahead and retain the car. Now what that means is my insurance company is going to cut me a check for what the damages were to the vehicle. Right now it's almost at $25,000. Now I had to provide them an estimate for what the wrap and whatever was, and once I provide that estimate to them, then they will cut me a check for that. So stay tuned for that. I'll have the full number. We'll block out certain things, but we'll present you guys and show you guys what the check looks like and all that good stuff. What's that mean? Well, the Green Monster is currently in the body shop effective today. They have to reskin both sides of the car, and they have to fully replace the entire interior. Yes. Now, some people said you could just vacuum it out, but I have perforated seats. The glass got into those seats. I want it to be right. If I'm going to keep it, I want it to be perfect. And I know that sounds crazy, but that's how I want it. So the Green Monster will be back, and in fact, this is me dropping it off at the body shop. All right, guys, so it's here. This is where it's going to sit. The adjuster came out and looked at it and basically said, the exterior damage that they probably could have fixed, except that was kind of iffy. But the interior damage is where he said it gets costly. And because it was raining that night and we got blood all over the seat and water damage, that pretty much makes this car a wrap. He said they may fix it because they have high values and whatnot, but with the scratches and stuff on the dash and the seat, he was like, more than likely they're gonna end up totaling the Monster. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. she goes, guys. That's where she's gonna stay. So you can see we dropped it off at the body shop. I got a couple other things that's going on now with that. So I should have the car back in about 6 weeks is what they said. About 6 weeks. So you guys will see me in the greater Nebraska area for like the next 6 weeks. Once my car is done, it's going back on the trailer and I am taking my ass home. I may stop at a few places along the way, but yeah, I'm kind of beat. This has been a long trip, a lot of stuff going on. And what I mean by home, though, what I mean by home, two things. I've actually built a new home, so I have two different things that we have to accomplish. We have to have a housewarming party or a welcoming party or whatever for the condo in Houston, now that we have all that situated and furnished and all that good stuff. So I need to do that with my Houston family, and then we have to have like a housewarming party or whatever for the house that is being built in Kansas. That's right, Kansas. I know you guys are going, what in the actual F, TK? What could you possibly want to do at Kansas? Well, let me hip you to something super cool. If you happen to be a retired veteran, a disabled veteran, or just a solid person that has good financial backing and a good credit score, the state of Kansas, in a lot of these little towns out in like western Kansas or in the middle of Kansas, nobody decides to just be like, you know what, let me just move to like nowhere, Kansas. So these towns that have been established and been out there for 150 years are dying. So they're like, well, what can we do? Well, we have all this free land. We have all this land out here. Let's just give it away. So that's what they're doing. They're giving away land. So that's a thing. We're actually, we took several acres and they give you 4 years to build a house on it with a storm shelter and all that. And it's going to take about 8 months to build the house that I want there now. And everything's already done. Things have been laid out, foundation, all that good stuff. So it's time for me to go there and monitor that stuff. What does that mean for like North Carolina and Fayetteville? Of course, I will be back and forth. You know, that's kind of, North Carolina is home for me, so I'm going to always go back to North Carolina. But there's just so many new opportunities, and being in Kansas, I'm kind of like in the middle of everything. I can get to Vegas in less than a day. I can get to Chicago in like 5-6 hours. I can get to, you know, Oklahoma City in, you know, 3-4 hours, and get to Dallas in 5 hours. You know, I can move around. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I made that move. So, anywho's, with that said, I just wanted to give you guys an update and let you guys know exactly what was going on with the Green Monster and kind of like other things that are coming up and things that I'm going to be doing. So stay tuned for that. I'm really looking forward to getting all that stuff done. And I'm excited, man. I'm excited for the Green Monster. It's going to look totally different when you guys see it, because, you know, where I took it back, you know, now it's not about warranties or anything else at this time. You know, you guys know I've done so much stuff to avoid warranties on the engine and everything else on the damn car. Why would I care about any other warranty? And you have a valid point. So what I have decided to do is, you know what, I'm not gonna give that away. Some people might guess. I know some of y'all might guess. Some of y'all might guess what I was gonna, what's gonna happen to the Green Monster, and y'all can guess in the comments. But there's gonna be some major changes to the car. It's not gonna look like you expect it to look. Yes, it's staying F8 green. They are painting the car or replacing the skin. They go all the way from the pillar all the way to the back with that whole side on both sides. They replace both of those. So that's already done. They're going to do that. That'll be green. I don't think I'm going to lose my decals on my doors or anything like that. But I can tell you that the car is going to be wrapped once it's done. And I can tell you, damn, I don't want to give it away. I'm going to save it for another video. But some of y'all might already guess. The car is going to look totally different. I'll give you a hint. I'm putting 11-inch wheels on it. Or 11 and a half. So there's your tip. That's what's happening to the car. With that said, a couple other things that are going on here on the channel. Shout out to my people. Shout out to my peoples over at eDiag and a couple other companies that have sent me over all kinds of cool stuff, ThinkScan and the like. I'm going to be giving away a couple of tasers. Now these specifically are for challengers. Now if you don't know what a taser is, it does different things for the car, like lets you do different things with the lights. It lets you do different things with like the instrument cluster and other stuff. Sorry, I had a brain fart there for a second. So we're beginning to giving these away, and I'm going to give away some other stuff like these brake fluid testers. These just like some basic tools and other stuff that I'm going to start dropping for you guys as small little giveaways here on the automotive channel as well. And if today's video can get to 500 likes within the next 24 hours, I'm gonna drop an Amazon gift card in the comment section. Just boop, code. When you see it, claim it and do your thing. So good luck to y'all on that. We'll see if we can get this to 500 likes. If I premiere this video, which I probably will, and we get it to 100 likes during the premiere, I'll drop one. I'll drop an extra one in the comments, so there'll be 2. All right, we'll do that. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much it. The Green Monster is coming back. It will live again. I did hem and haw about, should I keep it? Should I let it go? What am I doing? But I am going back GM really heavy. I am bidding on a car that some of you guys have already seen on my channel, and I'm going to do something ridiculous with it. Now, that's within reason. I do have a limit on what I'm going to pay for said car, and I'm not, some of you guys are probably guessing what it is, and I guarantee you're wrong. But I'm going to do something ridiculous with it, so stay tuned for that. But that's it. Updates. That now you know what's going on with the Green Monster. You guys have got to see it offloaded off the trailer and go to the body shop. So with that said, I want to thank you guys very much for watching. Smash the thumbs up button if you like what I do. Hit the subscribe button, and yeah, stay tuned. New Copart walk around coming for you guys tomorrow, and there'll be another bonus video with the El Camino with auto auction rebuilds as well. I mean, a bonus video that's an hour long. I mean, it's the content coming to the channel is just absolutely insane. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it for me. Thank you guys very much for watching. And I got a formal video coming for you guys on the Z71 as well very soon.
Perfect.